Hello students, this is the diagram of the life cycle of the plasmodium. Plasmodium requires two hosts to complete its life cycle. One is the human and second is the mosquito. So in exam, some of the time it's asked whether you have to mention about the human host only, and sometimes they ask about the mosquito host. So you be very careful when you write the answer. The infected female Anopheles mosquitoes, when it bites to your human host, the sporozoites are released into that human body, and these sporozoites they are reaching to the liver cells of the human. Once they reach the liver, they attack the RBC cells and they kill the RBC cells. They rupture the RBC cells and they release a toxin called hemozoin, which is responsible for high recurring fever, chills, and shivering. Then the sexual stage, that is the gametocyte, develops into the RBCs, from where these parasites enter the female Anopheles mosquitoes when they bite an infected person. In the body of the mosquitoes, again they fertilize and they multiply in their intestine or gut, and the sporozoites are now ready in the salivary gland to bite another human being, and thus the sporozoites are spread from one human being to another. This is the life cycle of the plasmodium. Now you should understand that a plasmodium requires two hosts. So it's very important that what actually occurs in the human host, why it required human host, and why it requires the mosquito host also. Mosquito host is used for the fertilization part, for the development part, and the mature sporozoites which are formed in the mosquito's gut, okay, they are getting ready there for the next human bite. So that is the importance of the mosquito host. Now what is the importance of the human host? Human host provides the blood, that is the nutrition. They helps them